Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make money using Etsy and Printify. This method is great for beginners because you do not need to buy any products up front. You also do not need to ship anything yourself. You just need a computer, an internet connection, and some time to learn the process. If you stay with me to the end of this video, you will understand exactly how to start your own online store and begin earning passive income from your designs. Let's start by talking about Etsy. Etsy is one of the most popular online marketplaces in the world. It is known for handmade items, vintage products, and custom-made goods. What makes Etsy different from other platforms is that it focuses on creativity and uniqueness. People visit Etsy when they are looking for something special or personal. This includes things like custom t-shirts, mugs, jewelry, home decor, art prints, and more. Etsy has millions of active buyers from all over the world. That means when you open a shop on Etsy, you get access to a huge audience who are already looking to buy creative products. Now let's look at Printify. Printify is a print-on-demand platform. This means it allows you to sell products with your own designs without ever touching the product. Printify works with printing partners around the world who handle the printing, packing, and shipping for you. You just create a design, choose a product like a t-shirt or mug, upload your artwork, and publish it to your online store. When a customer places an order, Printify automatically receives the order, sends it to the printer, and ships it directly to the customer. You never need to hold inventory, buy materials, or visit the post office. Printify offers a wide range of products including clothing, accessories, home goods, and more. Now that you understand both platforms, let's bring them together. First, create an Etsy account. Go to Etsy.com and click on Shop Manager at the bottom of the page. Etsy will ask for your email address, name, and a password. Follow the steps and choose a name for your shop. Try to pick something unique and simple to remember. You can use your name or something that fits your niche. The name can be changed later, so don't stress too much. Now leave Etsy open and go to Printify.com. Click on Sign Up and create your Printify account. Use the same email address if possible to keep things easy. Once you're logged in, click on Manage Stores and connect your new Etsy shop. Printify will guide you through the connection process. This link between Etsy and Printify is important because it allows orders to move from Etsy to Printify automatically. Next, it's time to pick products to sell. In your Printify dashboard, click on Catalog. You will see hundreds of items. Start with something simple like t-shirts. T-shirts are popular and easy to design. Click on a t-shirt product and look at the details. Each product shows the price you pay, the suggested retail price, and the printing company that makes it. You can choose different printing companies based on where your customers live, the product quality, or the shipping speed. Once you choose a product, click Start Designing. Here you can upload your design. If you do not have a design yet, you can use free tools like Canva or Adobe Express to make one. Keep your design simple. Quotes, funny messages, and clean graphics sell well. Think about what people want to wear or gift to others. Try to find a niche, which is a specific group of customers. For example, you can make designs for pet lovers, teachers, new moms, or travelers. Niches help you stand out in a crowded market. Upload your design to the product. Adjust the size and placement. Make sure it looks centered and clean. You can add designs to the front, back, or sleeves, depending on the product. When you are happy with your design, click Save Product. Give your product a title and write a simple description. Be clear and honest. Describe the material, the fit, and the design. Include keywords that people might search for, like funny cat shirt or gift for dog mom. This helps your product show up in Etsy search results. Set the price for your product. Printify shows you how much the item will cost to produce. For example, if the base cost is $10 and you sell it for $25, you make a $15 profit before Etsy's fees. Etsy takes a small percentage for each sale and a listing fee of 20 cents per product. You can price your item however you want, but remember to leave room for profit after fees and possible discounts. Try to price your products competitively, but also fairly. When you publish your product, it will appear in your Etsy shop. From here, your job is to bring traffic to your shop. Some people may find your products through Etsy search. But it's also smart to promote your shop outside of Etsy. You can use social media like Instagram, Pinterest, or TikTok. Post your designs and show how the products look in real life. You can also ask friends and family to share your store. The more people who see your designs, the better chance you have of making sales. Customer service is important. When someone buys your product, Printify will print and ship it. You can see the status of each order in your Printify account. If a customer has a question or problem, try to respond quickly and kindly. Even though you are not making or shipping the product, it is still your store and your brand. If there is a mistake, Printify usually helps fix it. They can reprint the item or offer a refund in some cases. Keep adding more designs and products. The more items you have in your shop, the more chances you have to make sales. You can use one design on many products. Over time, you can see which products sell the most. Then, you can make more designs like those to increase your earnings. One of the best ways to improve your Etsy shop and spark new ideas is by researching other successful shops in your niche. Start by browsing Etsy and looking for top-rated shops that sell similar products to yours. Pay attention to the types of designs they use, their color choices, and the overall style of their listings. Look at how they write their product descriptions. Are they detailed, casual, professional, or fun? Notice the keywords they include, how they format their text, and what kind of information they highlight. Don't be afraid to experiment either. Try out different product types, vary your titles and tags, and test a few pricing strategies. You might be surprised which combinations perform the best. Be sure to use Etsy's built-in shop stats and Printify's analytics to track how your products are doing. Many people start making a few dollars at first, but with time and effort, you can grow your shop. Some sellers make hundreds or even thousands of dollars each month. The key is to stay consistent. Keep learning, keep creating, and keep promoting your shop. Over time, your shop will build trust and attract repeat customers. You can also try different holidays and seasons. For example, design shirts for Christmas, Valentine's Day, or Mother's Day. People are always looking for special gifts. You can also follow trends. Use tools like Google Trends or Etsy's search bar to see what people are looking for right now. Just type in a word like dog or teacher and see what shows up. This helps you make designs that are more likely to sell. Don't forget to update your Etsy shop regularly. Change your banner, update your About section, and add shop policies. This makes your shop look professional and trustworthy. Also, respond to messages and reviews. Positive reviews help you get more customers. If someone leaves a negative review, try to fix the problem politely and professionally. Making money with Etsy and Printify is not instant, but it is possible with patience and creativity. Start with just a few products. Learn as you go. You don't need to be a professional designer. You just need to understand what people want and give them quality products with thoughtful designs. Use free tools online, stay organized, and keep track of your orders and earnings. Eventually, you may even hire a designer or use paid ads to grow faster. Hiring a designer can help if you want more advanced or polished artwork. You can find freelance designers on websites like Fiverr or Upwork. Some designers charge very little for basic work, especially if you already have an idea or a sketch. This is useful when you want to save time or create designs that stand out more. You can also partner with a designer long-term if your shop is growing and you want to release new collections regularly. This frees up your time to focus on marketing, customer service, and planning your product strategy. Now, you have everything you need to start your Etsy shop with Printify. Create your accounts, pick a product, upload a design, and publish your listing. Promote your shop, treat customers well, and keep learning. This is a real way to make money online if you put in the time and effort. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your new shop.